Hey, good afternoon all. What an awesome day. The sun's shining. It's almost, I don't know, maybe 58 degrees out here. February 20th. That's back on our new leader bed. Yeah, ripping getting some shafts out. We got some new stuff showed up. There's the jesters. We got massive amounts of new stuff showing up. Belt over chain. Yeah, I just sliced that thing with these little cut-off wheel. The FWD makes a pretty good workbench for working at about the right height. Yeah, we got that little bed done. And we're getting ready to pull that gearbox off. It had a little Allen head set screw down there and took it loose, and lo and behold, I took a pry bar. That thing is actually going to come off there. It's a miracle. Yeah, these fittings are, these hydraulic fittings, what I had to do, I take a cutoff saw and go down through there to get them broke loose. There really ain't much other way to do it. And thank God we did get our new gearbox in and motors. All this piping and that valve comes with it. This is all together as a unit. I was fretting that for a little while because I thought, well, I'm going to have to try to find each part number for all these little fittings, and it all comes together as a unit. Thank God. Be nice if they'd made them. I don't know if you can get a stainless chain for them or not. Be nice if it was all stainless. Wouldn't even be replacing it. And here's like a little sensor here. It just has like a little neoprene hole there that presses into. Lets the machine know when this is turning, and I believe how fast it's turning too. I think this is a 2004 machine, but it's got some satellite capabilities, a multiplier bed. They can speed up or slow down how much product they're putting on, depending on assuming they map the field out. And then I guess the satellites communicate with it and with however their field map worked out. And turns the belt a little faster or a little slower. What an awesome day. Well, I'm gonna get back at it. We'll catch you guys later.